After all the sacrifice I made, after all the things I did for love, still broke my heart. And my mom warned me not to fall in love. She warned me never to fall in love. She warned me, but I couldn't listen. I was blinded by love. And now, my heart has been broken into pieces. Where do I go? Where do I start from? I know I'm too naive, and I caused all this for myself. I caused this upon myself. My mom told me, she warned me never to fall in love. She warned me never to fall in love. She warned me. I didn't listen. Now, all my efforts, all the sacrifice I made, are all in vain. But I know I will come out strong. I need to be strong for someone that will truly love me for who I am and for what I am, that will accept me as my love.